rimwe ni uraremwo nginya guikarania na muthuri waku family yaku aria maikara na aciari mundu ni araremwo tondu meciria ni maingihire muno na ugakora maita maingi ni urarigwo ona we haria matura-ini ni tuwi mutwita madagitari no ni urakora maundu maria community irenda kuma kuri ithu tutingihota kuhingia
rubi ira turariho ri ngina kuria citiraigana ona guo tutirahota. For example, reke heane muhano kana karia ndagire mwaka-ini ucio wa 2020 next year kara join grade 1 ni ukuona ni tumitwo kihoto ihinda iraihu muno kara join grade 1 mwaka uyu tukuingira kugo ni tuhinyiririo ihinda raihu muno.
The ministry came out clearly indicating that they want to send us to counties. We are not objecting us to go to counties, but we want to go to counties under clear guideline. One, let the salary be harmonized. Because we have been working for those 5 years, earning a third of the salary with our counterpart. That is discriminatory. So once they do whatever it takes to take us to counties, one, we need to see that we are in the budget. Once we are in the budget, then we are sure that this thing is working. Mark you, last year, 2024, we were in the same budget. We were allocated on the supplementary budget, but nothing came out clearly, so we missed and we were never confirmed.
Because twice they have been promised, and twice has the government broken that promise.